In this wearable tech-themed episode, I'll be breaking down bone conduction earbuds versus open-ear earbuds, how both work, and some models we recommend. Technology is its own language, and I'm here to translate it. I'm Phil Rodriguez, and welcome back to Tech Translated. Let's start with bone conduction. Bone conduction is a type of wearable technology that converts sound waves into vibrations that travel directly through the cheekbones and jaw, aka the bones in your face, to the inner ear. Sound bypasses the eardrums using the skull as a conductor, vibrating to transmit sound to the cochlea, which then sends the signals to the brain. Think of it similarly to how you hear your own voice when you start to talk. Your ears stay completely open, but you still hear the audio clearly. But what does that mean for sound quality? Are bone conduction headphones actually good? Here's the honest answer: yes, at specific things. They're great for running or biking outside, situations where you need awareness, or long wear without ear fatigue. Because your ears are open, you can hear cars, people, or anything around you. And that's the biggest advantage. But there are trade-offs. Sound quality isn't as rich as traditional headphones. Bass is weaker, sometimes a little non-existent, and in loud environments, it's hard to hear your audio clearly. So if you're looking for immersive music or deep sound, bone conduction headphones probably aren't your main headphones. Now let's talk open earbuds, because they're a little different, but they solve a similar problem. Instead of sending sound through your bones, they use small speakers that sit just outside your ear and direct sound towards it. You may also see it referred to as air conduction. With an open-ear style design, nothing goes in your ear, yet it still produces mostly normal sounding audio. Think of it as a middle ground. You keep the awareness of bone conduction, but you get better sound quality. That's why open earbuds have emerged as a pretty major personal audio category. One of my favorite open earbuds are the Shokz Open Fit Pro. Despite being open earbuds, they have noise reduction technology that works really well, and they're super secure for activities. JBL also makes some solid hook-style open earbuds like the Sense Pro and Endurance Zone. Then there's Soundcore's AeroFit, which is a more budget-friendly option with a similar, secure hook design. Clip-on open earbuds are very popular right now as well. Bose kind of put them on the map with the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, but now we've got a ton of options like the Shokz Open Dots 1, Soundcore Aero Clip, JBL Soundgear Clips, and even Sony has the LinkBuds Clip. If you want to check any of these out, I'll link them in the description. Bone conduction remains popular among fitness enthusiasts, especially for people who do swimming. For example, Shokz makes completely waterproof headphones. With that said, for the sake of sound quality, even brands like Shokz are leaning more into open earbuds with air conduction. I think eventually, especially as some companies explore hybrid options, we'll see fewer straight-up bone conduction headphones, with the innovation in open earbuds being favored. But for right now, bone conduction is better if you want maximum awareness and a super lightweight, barely there feel. Open earbuds are better if you care more about sound quality without needing to sacrifice the ability to hear your surroundings. Alright, we're trying something new with Tech Translated. It's pop quiz time to see if you were paying attention. Question 1. True or false? Bone conduction headphones send sound directly to your eardrums. False. They bypass your eardrums completely and your bones to get sound to your inner ears. Question 2. What type of earbuds generally have better sound quality? I'll give it to you if you said open ear, but this was kind of a trick question. In-ear earbuds have the best sound quality. Question 3. A scenario. You're running in a busy city with traffic all around you. What's the better pick? Bone conduction or open earbuds? Bone conduction. Maximum awareness, zero interference. So, how'd you do? Be sure to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching another episode of Tech Translated. If you learned something new, you should definitely leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any other upcoming Tech Translated videos. As always, I'm Phil Rodriguez, this is Tom's Guide, and I will see you in the next video.